a spinach and ricotta ravioli with butternut squash puree. Obviously, culinary created these beautiful little cubes, but when I'm at home, I literally just chop up a butternut squash, like irregular pieces, throw it in the oven, and then little edges get charred and stuff. I just chuck the butter in there. I don't even like mix it because I feel like that's just like dirtying up your hands. And butter's hard to wash off. Get some garlic in there.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Don't you love the way he cooks? Just throw it on there.
We're busy. So, I mean, pop it in. The butter is gonna melt, and it's really just gonna spread over. It's gonna really caramelize and get the, like, you know, the brown butter is gonna come out on the bottom, and it's just gonna get nice and charred.
I got one right here.
Perfect.
I'm good.
And then all you do.
This for you.
Once that's out.
It smells amazing.
Yeah. The brown butter also fills your house with this beautiful aroma. No one's gonna hate you for using butter.
And when it browns a little, it also gets that nutty, delicious fragrance in the air.
Yeah.
It smells like nuts.
It just creates like a nice complex flavor. And the great thing about this part is that you just throw it in the oven and you don't have to do anything. You know what I mean?
The oven does all the work for you.
Oven does, and it's such a good leeway because you can like burn it a little bit and it still comes out
It's gonna come out perfect.
Yeah, so we're gonna put a little bit of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, just use milk. Anything, honestly, even water will do.
And if you wanted to make it meat-free, of course, you could use vegetable stock.
Yep, and then if you want to do it vegan, you can make like vegan butter. I never know how to do it. So we just keep it on the stove, keep it warm. We're gonna put a little bit of in a saute pan.
Okay.
Or just leave it on there. It's really just, you can make this ahead of time too. So this is the cool part, okay? So we're making ravioli with wonton wrappers, and it comes in like a pack of bajillion. So I mean, you can just make a tape. So I generally do, for repetitive like things like ravioli, I generally do like 6 at a time because it's easy just to do like, you know.
Right, to dot them. Make a little assembly line, basically.
Exactly.
And this is so easy. It's just the ricotta, spinach, parm. Do you want me to drop some for you if you're done?
Sure, yeah, let's drop some. So we have some ricotta, parm,
I don't know where they are.
Frozen spinach, probably in the fridge.
In the fridge? Gotcha.
Remember, I always smash your
Or not.
No, we're gonna make some. It doesn't matter.
Okay,
so it's so
we're
easy.
making these. It's
so
fine.
then we have an egg, salt, and some pepper, and that is literally it. And it's just cheesy and spinachy, and it's delicious, and you cannot go wrong with it. Right? Okay. So we have that. We have some pre-made stuff right here.
Oh, they said it's underneath the napkin.
Oh, there they are! So
I'll drop some of these. You show them how to fill.
Okay, so Rach, you drop those in. So we're just gonna put a little, like a heaping tablespoon in the center of each ravioli or each wonton wrapper, and you just basically make little dollops. You can kind of overfill, but at the same time, don't want to overdo it. So then you just kind of do whatever shape. I like the triangles because I think they're easy. And
Super easy, yeah, and anybody can do that.
And just kind of get messy. Don't worry about it. And then, as Rach is doing, those cook in like 2 to 3 minutes. It's really, really quick. What we're gonna do is put a little bit of this sauce in a saute pan.
Gotcha.
Very easy again. And then we're gonna take a spider and we're just gonna take them out, pop them
and
right
you just
in.
drop it right into the puree.
Drop it in here. You don't wanna cook these too long, and that's the great thing. They cook quick, but they also can break down if you do too many, and then you just let them sit, and then you just like give it a toss.
They're so gorgeous.
I mean, don't I look cool?
Yeah,
so
baby.
then we drop some into a bowl, and I mean, like, seriously.
Put a little cheese on.
Some cheese.
I love you.
Perfect date night, right?